Look at this.
Why so expensive?
Looks like it's locked. The food has arrived.
Heavy.
Wow, look at all this stuff.
Smells so good.
Okay, we finally arrived. Let's go for a check-in.
Let's go.
It's the last one on the corridor. Let's see.
Hello.
Oh. Man, look at this view. It narrows down. It looks like you're at the front of a ship. Look at this. Let's see what's on this side. Oh no, people.
Where?
It's just neighbors. The views are actually decent. You get a bit of nature, a bit of neighbors, a bit of corporate, industrial traffic, whatever this is. But it's very quiet, I notice. It's very good.
Around.
Is it comfy?
Let me see.
Look at this huge pillow you have.
Oh, it is. I can sleep on it.
Okay, you sleep here, I sleep on the bed.
No.
Okay, the bedroom is here, but I saw something when we entered.
What?
These. He did mention on check-in that we have some amenities from them.
Look how cute. Oh.
Some
Take
nice...
one. I want to have one.
What now?
Yeah.
Of course you're gonna go for the white one. Oh no.
You good?
Is it with like cappuccino and espresso flavor or what is it?
I don't know. It's nice.
These truffles, they look like those Brazilian brigadeiros, they're called. Very crumbly and hazelnutty.
They good?
They're decent. Also, he did mention a wine they left for us. Sauvignon Blanc. You might actually try it.
We will.
You have your fake Nespresso copy. We're probably gonna have the coffees outside anyway.
Definitely.
Man, what, are you hungry? Like, what is this?
I just want to try stuff.
You haven't had a banana before?
This one tastes nicer. Let's check the minibar. What is this? Look! It's so cute.
I mean, it has such a long expiration date, like 1.5 years. It's kind of unusual for chocolates. Why is it blinking? It's possessed. I mean, yeah, they're decent by London standards, but for Bulgarian standards, they're a bit expensive. Like a soft drink is €4.
€4 for this? Why so expensive?
That's how they make their money. Actually, they
I
don't.
thought the espresso is like free.
What do you mean?
Look.
What? They charge you €3
For the fake
For-
Nespresso.
for the capsule? Are you joking? We can just literally go and buy a coffee like in Starbucks for €3 and they make it for you. And they misspell your name for €3 as well, so it's like a win-win. Okay, this is just the secondary bathroom from what I can assume, because there's no shower or anything. No bath, no shower.
It's very clean.
All right. Now let's have a look at the bedroom. Man, this is a big bed. Look at this.
Wow.
And it's not just the square pillows that are making it seem big.
I can't wait to sleep on it.
Reasonably soft.
Okay.
They seem good quality. And let's see what kind of view you get from the bed.
To the neighbors.
What's this? The main bathroom, of course.
Oh.
Alright, the maintenance are a bit behind on the works.
That's okay.
But housekeeping is on the ball. They're good.
They compensate with the cleanliness.
Your usual ordeal of vanity, amenities, stuff like that. Decent sized bathtub. Not much in terms of wardrobe and storage, but I'm happy to see they included a bathrobe. Schmidt. And we have the most spacious compartment I've ever seen.
For what?
Yeah, I don't know, you can't even put a...
You can't even fit shoes.
Yeah, you can't put one next to each other. That's very strange.
I love it here. This is one of my favorite
True.
suites so far.
Me too. And look at all these AC vents on the top. It's like 6 vents just in this couch area. And 4 more here, 4 AC vents, and whatever they have in the bedroom is properly cooled. Very good. I thought this chair had something on the side. I thought it was dirty, but it's actually branding. Feels a bit, oriental, like Chinese.
Feels
Gives me-
empty to me.
Gives me this vibe. Yeah, I mean, you could put a TV here, but what's the point? Because on the opposite side, you have the TV, so that would have been a bit of overkill. It looks like it, actually, when you look at it like this could easily be a conference room.
You know what? It might have been conference
And you
room
know
and
what?
converted.
You know what? I think they might even use it occasionally as a meeting room. It's so funny how they put 2 thermostats right next to each other. I mean, I know they control different areas, but I've never seen them like one next to each other before. Let me put it 22. And then you have the third one in the bedroom. So imagine we have 3 different thermostats. That tells you how big the place is. It's a shame the windows aren't very clean, because you can really see the dust on the outside. And we have these lights. I really hope did you see them?
No, I saw them.
I really hope they don't turn on during the night, because it will be an issue.
Oh. Don't need to go out. I'm just gonna stay here.
Man, look
This
at
is
these
so
socks.
nice.
Look at these bloody socks. I keep telling you to get proper socks. Are you homeless, my friend? What
I
is
have
this?
new ones. These
What
are
is it? The socks? You have 50 pairs at
for
home.
travel.
I counted them. There's like
These
at
are
least
for
30.
travel. I'm gonna throw them.
Travel? Why would you travel in the shittiest ones? Exactly. What the hell? Okay. Let's go then. Let's grab something to eat. All right? Come. I know the thought of food is enough to give you energy. Get up. As your motivation.
So nice here.
Hello?
Hello.
Look nice.
Thank you.
I can't believe it took so long to order one taxi again. It's like impossible to get a taxi in this country. I just hope he's not going to cancel on us. There's nobody around here.
It's good.
It's not too many people around, huh?
buzzing.
Huh?
It's buzzing here.
Yeah, what's the name of this boulevard?
Vitosha.
Oh, that's the Vitosha. The whole street is full of just restaurants, cafes, bars. It's
Aperol for 12.
huh?
2 Aperols for 12 euro. It's six per Aperol, which is really good.
Yeah. Good for London prices, but not for Bulgaria. Okay, this is the place.
Yeah, I
How
love
do you
it.
call this place again?
Щастливеца.
Щастливеца. Okay. This menu is huge. And you have the price in euro and in leva. Oh wow, they have a fitness selection. Don't tell me you're gonna buy from that one.
No, not really. I was thinking, but then I'm like, nah.
Huh?
After moving for a third time.
Third time the charm. Yeah, you can't see it too much right now, but I'm sure you're gonna see it later. You get red from the sun. The sun is really good. The cheesy fries. It's like a feta. What kind of cheese is this? The food has arrived.
Heavy.
Wow, look at all this stuff.
Smells so good.
These are the crispy pork ears. This is the roast pork knuckle. What was this one again?
And this is duck heart.
Oh, the duck hearts. Is it good? Very good or good?
It's good.
So not very good. Let's get a bit of sauce. Very nice and tender.
Oh, so tender.
Pork knuckle, huh? How is it? Really good. Ready for the gym? I mean, you go to the spa. Come. Spa. That's it's a bit of a
Big words.
it's a bit of a stretch to call it a spa.
Someone is smoking somewhere.
Oh yeah, in Bulgaria, of course, there's smoking everywhere.
You can smell.
You have your key card. You need to tap. Seems to be open 24/7. Looks like it's locked.
Let me check your gym.
It's small.
Oh, it's perfect for you.
I mean, it has.
For one person, it's perfect.
It's not about the one person. It's about the range of machines and weights. They don't have that many, but they have some basics.
Can you find me some Bulgarian mandele?
What are you thinking about?
I don't want to leave. I want to stay here.
Do you know what I really liked? The bed.
The bed was very comfortable.
It was actually really good.
The pillows surprisingly were comfortable as well.
The shower was surprisingly good. Proper rainfall shower, like you couldn't put it on max. It's a shame housekeeping didn't manage to clean the room because we were going out so late and they finished by, what was it, 4 o'clock we asked and they had already left. The breakfast you didn't manage to try. It was good, but it wasn't amazing. But for, what was it, like 13 pounds, 15 euros. It's really cheap for a hotel breakfast, to be honest. Usually they're a lot more than that. We didn't manage to try their restaurant downstairs, but I don't know, I didn't really see it busy, so I kind of doubt.
I like it as well.
I kind of doubt that it's great. Plus you have so many good food options around here. The only thing I didn't really like here was the heat in the bedroom, like in the morning, because the sun rises on that side. It accumulates so much heat, like even the AC couldn't keep up. I think the AC there is a bit weaker in the bedroom.
That's true. But to be honest, during the night is very good.
Yes,
It's
no,
just
it's
in the
fine.
morning
It's
when the
just-
sun rises
Exactly.
and hits you, it gets really hot. Because
gets
today it's not very sunny and it was alright in the bedroom. It wasn't hot.
Ready to go?
No.